Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we show you real ways to make money online. No fluff and no scams. Let's get started. Have you ever dreamt of making money from your creativity? What if I told you that you could earn over $100 a day by selling 3D models and digital assets? It's true. You don't need to be a professional artist or tech whiz to tap into this lucrative market. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a side hustle, selling 3D models could be your ticket to financial freedom. The best part? You get to set your own hours, work from anywhere, and be your own boss. Intrigued? Let's dive in. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start making money selling 3D models and digital assets. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and watch the cash roll in. The world is going 3D and fast. From video games and virtual reality to e-commerce and animation, the demand for high-quality 3D models and assets is exploding. Think about it. Every game you play, every animated movie you watch, and even some product images you see online rely on 3D models. That's a massive market just waiting to be tapped. And the best part? This demand isn't going away anytime soon. In fact, it's only going to increase as technologies like augmented reality and the metaverse continue to gain traction. What does this mean for you? It means there's never been a better time to jump into the world of 3D modeling and start profiting from your creations. So are you ready to ride this wave of opportunity? Don't worry if you're new to the world of 3D modeling. Getting started is easier than you might think. Here's a step-by-step roadmap to help you go from 3D newbie to digital entrepreneur. First, choose your niche. Just like any business, it's important to pick a niche that excites you and has a hungry market. Do you love creating realistic characters? Or maybe you're more interested in designing futuristic weapons or whimsical environments? The possibilities are endless. Next, master your tools. Once you've found your niche, it's time to learn the ropes of 3D modeling. Luckily, there are tons of amazing and free software options available, like Blender, which is perfect for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect. Like any skill, practice makes perfect. Start by following tutorials and recreating existing models. As you gain confidence, let your creativity run wild and design your own unique assets. Finally, prepare for success. Before you hit the digital shelves, make sure your models are export ready and your files are organized. This will make it easy for buyers to use your assets and leave them happy with their purchase. With these steps mastered, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning 3D models that people will be eager to buy. Section 4. Platforms for profit: where to sell your digital masterpieces. Now that you have a digital treasure chest full of awesome 3D models, it's time to find the perfect online marketplaces to showcase your creations and start raking in the dough. Here are a few popular platforms where you can sell your 3D models. CG Trader. This platform boasts a massive user base and a wide variety of 3D models, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced sellers. Sketchfab. Known for its beautiful and interactive model viewer, Sketchfab is ideal for showcasing your work and attracting attention. Unity Asset Store. If you're creating game assets, the Unity Asset Store is the place to be. It's the go-to marketplace for Unity developers looking for high-quality assets. Don't be afraid to experiment with different platforms to find the best fit for your niche and selling style. The more places you list your models, the wider your reach and the greater your earning potential. Section 5. The sky's the limit: earning potential and passive income dreams. Okay, let's talk money. How much can you actually make selling 3D models? The truth is, there's no cap on your earning potential. It all depends on factors like the quality of your models, the demand for your niche, and how effectively you market your work. Some 3D artists make a few $100s a month supplementing their income, while others generate a full-time living from their digital creations. And the beauty of selling digital assets is that it can become a source of passive income. Imagine waking up to find that you've made sales while you were sleeping. That's the power of selling digital products online. The more high-quality models you create and list, the more you increase your chances of generating consistent passive income. Section 6. Ready, set, create. Your 3D adventure starts today. So, there you have it. You now have the knowledge and tools to start your own exciting journey as a 3D model entrepreneur. Remember, The world is hungry for fresh, innovative 3D models, and there's a place for your unique creativity in this booming market. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. The best time is right now. Take that first step, dive into the world of 3D modeling, and watch as your creations translate into real-world income. Now, I want to hear from you. What kind of amazing 3D models are you excited to create and sell? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below.